Welcome to 5 Ash Drive, Northford, Connecticut. And here comes Levi and Ava, ready to move into their new home. It starts with a feeling. The moment you realize this place could be yours. A new door opens, and with it, a new chapter begins. Nothing is like move-in day, bringing all your memories to your new home. What once was just a dream is now something real. 4 walls, yes, but with room to grow, to breathe, to become. You don't need much, just love, vision, and the right guide by your side. Because behind every family's beginning is someone who truly listens, truly cares. A real estate agent who sees more than listings. She sees people. And she makes sure they feel at home before the keys even turn. And when you had the best realtor in the world, everything feels much better. This isn't just a house. It's where your family grows, one memory at a time. Through every milestone, every season, you'll look back and say, this is where it all began. This may feel like a movie, but it's reality. And when you're ready to begin, the door to new beginnings is only a phone call away.